Hi there. In this video we'll be taking a look at this 2-inch Swedish pipe wrench from PARKSIDE, and you can get it at Lidl or Kaufland. As you can see, we are filming in wide angle because this is that big. You can see compared to my hand that it doesn't fit on screen. And guess what? I wasn't planning on getting something like this, but my father saw it at the Kaufland. It was about $7. For $7, this is a nice freaking tool. This is the standard that it complies to. If you have a big job, let me show you in a moment, just as an idea, the size of the ones that I already had. And I'm back. So as you can see, I was nowhere near this size of tool, and there were a few times when these were barely doing it. So good idea on my father when he decided, hey, maybe this actually helps. They are not 100% same type of tool because they don't have adjustment like this, but more or less they do about the same thing. So from here you actually adjust the size of the opening for different sizes of pipe that you need. You grab it and do whatever you freaking need. This is heavy. This, I think it's, how much is it? Probably a 2 or 3 kilo tool. We might have, yeah, here is a bit more info about it. Maximum 50.8 millimeter, which is exactly 2 inches. Plumbing and heating installation. Maybe we have the weight for it somewhere. Let me try and find it. Couldn't find the weight on the packaging, so yeah, this scales is for plain baggages, but it's fairly good. So let's see what it gives us. 2.35. I was damn close. Yeah, 2.35. So this is a big chunk of metal. It has a limiter right here, so you cannot undo this so much that it pops out and you lose it. Even this, if you look, it's quite thick metal and feels quite nice. Overall, the construction of it feels nice, doesn't have any rough edges. It's man's tool. Yeah, nice. So at this point in time, I'm not going to, I don't know, mock around because I don't have anything to use it on. At the moment, I'm just going to allow it to tighten to its max, and I think this is more or less its max. It's not touching here, so these are as close together as it gets. I'm going to put it in a drawer if I have one big enough, and I'll continue the video when I actually need it for something. Working on a bicycle without proper tools, this wasn't enough. This was stuck in there and not cooperating. Well, I'm not asking nicely at this point anymore. Well, let's say it didn't stand a chance against this huge thing. Used this on something else that I shouldn't have. On this thing to get it out of here. With something like this, it was absolutely impossible no matter what I did. This thing handled it. Yes, of course, it bit into this thing a bit. But anyway, there was no other way for me to get it out. And again, using the persuader, it undid this thing easily, what the smaller one obviously couldn't do. And that's about it for this video of the persuader. It's not worth its weight in gold, but at least in copper, I think it is. So for me, what I was able to do with it, and with my tools, I couldn't have done it. With all other tools that I have, whatever else I have, I couldn't have done it. So this thing, it's already proving really useful, and for sure in the future I will have many uses for it. If you find it cheaply, yeah, I recommend you get it. It seems to be really good quality and is really strong and big tool. And that's about it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Subscribe to the channel, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.